Idle means being inactive or not working. For example, the factory was idle during the holidays. Insolent refers to showing a rude and arrogant lack of respect. For example, he was fired for his insolent behavior towards his boss. Bind means to tie or fasten something tightly. For example, the agreement will bind both parties legally. Enrage means to make someone extremely angry. For example, the unfair decision enraged the fans. Ego, self-esteem or self-importance. For example, his ego wouldn't let him apologize. Solo means to do something alone without assistance. For example, she went on a solo trip around the world. Deliberately means doing something on purpose. For example, he deliberately ignored the warning signs. Hoist means to raise or lift something heavy. For example, they hoisted the flag up the pole. Threshold refers to the starting point of something. For example, she stood on the threshold of a new career. Defame means to damage someone's good reputation. For example, the article was meant to defame the celebrity. Decorate means to make something look more attractive. For example, they decorated the room for the party. Appetite refers to a natural desire to eat. For example, after the workout, he had a huge appetite. Sniff means to smell something briefly. For example, she sniffed the flowers to enjoy their fragrance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.